My love, there are not enough words in the world to capture the depth of what I feel for you, but I will try because you deserve to know every day, every moment, just how much you mean to me from the every first time or easy met. Something shifted in my world. It wasn't fireworks or thunder or a sudden storm. It was peace, a stillness, like the world finally made sense, like I had found the piece of me I didn't even know was missing. Since that day, you have been in my thoughts, in my dreams, in every beat of my heart. You are more than just my love. You are my light, my warmth, my home. Your smile brightens the darkest days. Day, your laughter is the sweetest sound I have even ever known. You bring color to my black and white, music to my silence, and claim to my chaos. Just your presence smooths me in ways I didn't think possible. There are so many little things you do that I love, the way your eyes light up when you talk about something you are passionate about, the way you love with your whole soul, the way you care so deeply, so sincerely about the people around you. Your kindness is unmatched. Your strength humbles me. Your beauty inside and out takes my breath away every time. I love how we can talk for hours and it feels like minutes. I love how you challenge me to grow, to be better, to dreams bigger. I love how you see the best in me even when I struggle to see it myself. I love how your love has become the safest place I know. Sometimes I sit in quiet moments and just think about how lucky I am out of all the people in the world, in all the places, in all the timelines. I found you, or maybe we found each other. It feels like fate, like we were written into each other's stories long before we ever met. I want you to know that I see you, all of you, your hopes, your fears, your dreams, your scratches. I see the beautiful complexity that makes you who you are, and I love every part of it. I love you on your best days, and I love you even more on your worst. I love you when you are full of energy and laughter. And I love you when you are quiet and tried. I love you when you are confident, and I love you when you are sincere. I love you through in every emotion, every seasons, every moment. I promise to be here, really here with you and for you, to support you, to stand by you, to lift you up when the world feels heavy. I promise to listen with my heart, to speak with love, and to hold you through every storm. I promise to grow with you, to build a life with you, to choose you again and again and again. Our love is not perfect, but it is real. It is raw and honest and beautiful. It is built on trust, on understanding, on respect, and every day it grows deeper. I know life will bring challenges, but I have no fear as long as we face them together. So let me say it again. I love you more than words, more than time, more than anything I could ever measure. You are my person, my heart, my forever. Thank you for being you. Thank you for letting me love you. Thank you for loving me in return.